So I took a train, then a plane, then an automobile to NYC to check out the new Fold 8 series. And let's just say there is a lot to unpack. And shout out to Samsung for sponsoring that train, plane, and automobile to check out this year's Unpacked event for these new Fold series of devices. And Samsung has made the Fold series a trio now with the Fold 8 Ultra, the Flip 8, and the brand new Fold 8 with a bit of a wider view. More on that in a moment. Let's start off with the Fold 8 Ultra. And I know what you're gonna say here is that the Fold 8 Ultra looks really similar to last year's Fold 7, but trust me, there are some key upgrades to this that make this worth talking about. So when you look at it at first, it does come with the same 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X cover display. Whole lot of words to say there. And when you do open it up, it does come with the same 8-inch QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, both at 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. And you do get the same 200 megapixel sensor on your main camera from last year. However, it does have improved HDR support with it. And now you also get a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens on the Fold 8 Ultra, which is really gonna help with those group shots and those wide angle shots that you wanna take. And this is all being powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, a common thing amongst all the Fold devices this year. And it's gonna have a larger 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and it's gonna have super fast charging up to 45 watts and wireless charging up to 20 watts. Two great improvements to come with this. And all this is packed into one of the slimmest Z Fold designs yet at just 4.1 millimeters unfolded and only 215 grams of total weight. They also beveled the sides on the Fold 8 a little bit to make it much easier to open than in the Galaxy Fold 7, which I know will be a welcome addition because that was one of the things that was always a little bit difficult. And I can tell you here, much more improved on the Fold 8 Ultra. Now the Fold 8 will come in 4 different colors between graphene, cream, green shadow, which is online exclusive, and one of the best color options available across the entire Galaxy Fold series this year, violet shadow, which just is hint of violet with it in the dark tones. It just looks beautiful when you see it in person. Definitely recommend checking this one out. And now let's move on to the new kid on the block, the Fold 8. And one of the first things you'll notice here is that the cover display is in a 10:16 aspect ratio. It's a 5.5 display, 120Hz refresh rate, and it gives it a very unique sort of booklet, passport style look to it. It feels very familiar. And when you open it up, you'll get the 7.6-inch display, also at 120Hz refresh rate, but in a 4:3 aspect ratio. And the whole idea of that is to get immersed in more content such as books and long-form content and really kind of be able to dive in and kind of get lost and immersed in what you're watching and what you're consuming. And the Fold 8 isn't lacking in the camera department. It does have dual 50 megapixel cameras on it. It also has an improved dual recording feature that allows you to preview that dual recording on the cover scene so you and another person kind of see each other and you kind of create some unique shots and unique sort of fun videos that way. And like its bigger brother in the Fold 8 Ultra, it is rocking a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy. It has a 4,800 milliamp hour battery inside of it. It does come with fast charging at 45 watts and fast wireless charging as well too at 20 watts. I'm really interested to see what a lot of people think of this when they get it in hand. I was really surprised at how much I really like this form factor and this unique look. I can't wait to hear what others out there kind of think about this one. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. And obviously we cannot forget about the Z Flip 8 with that unique clamshell design, the 4.1-inch flex window display with some nice AI improvements to make information much more useful. And then when you flip it open, you get that beautiful 6.9-inch display and that overall unique form factor, unique look and style, and great way to get into foldables with something familiar and unique. So one unique feature that all of the new Galaxy Fold 8 series devices has is Samsung's new Flex Titanium technology. It basically gives a new titanium-based display structure designed to help them make the foldable thinner while maintaining that durability. Combining a titanium alloy film with an enhanced titanium plate, it helps strengthen the display to support and better impact and overall just better durability. That's also combined with Vision Boost, which allows all the displays to get up to 3,000 nits of brightness and also a low reflective display finish, making the screens vivid and easy to see even when outdoors. Now pre-orders start today for all 3 new phones in the Z series, with the Z Fold 8 Ultra starting off at $20.99, the Z Fold 8 starting at $18.99, And both of those are available in 256 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte of storage that'll come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and also 1 terabyte of storage that will come with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Now the Z Flip 8 starts at $11.99 and it comes in 256 gigabyte or 512 gigabyte options, with full availability happening on August 7th. Now, a question for you. With this being the 8th generation of foldable devices, and we've seen the refinements from Samsung, is the Fold 8 series something you'd be interested in? Would it be something you finally would make the leap over the foldables? Let me know in the comments and let me know which one you would be interested in.